In this video, I'm going to teach you how to tag in WhatsApp status after posting. So as you can see, I have in here this article about how to create and share status on WhatsApp. This is typically just straightforward. You can head over to your icon right here for your actual status and click on My Status. You can choose between text. You can head over and then add your actual status that you want. You can click on T to change the font. Click on Paint icon to change the background color. Click on smiley icon to add an emoji. And you can click status to customize your audience and then tap on the send right here. You can also share a photo status by going over to the same tools but choosing photos and videos. You can add caption, text, emojis, stickers. You can click on the pencil icon to draw. You can also add music and you can also blur and crop and rotate for that as well. However, do take note that when you already posted the status, you won't be able to tag anyone anymore. So for this case, make sure to tag someone as well by clicking on the at icon or typing at on your caption and you should be able to tag them. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you.